Assalamualaikum everybody. This is Shaggy Ocean. I hope you are all fit and fine. I'm also fine by the mercy Almighty of Allah. Right now, I'm staying in my district town, Rajshahi, and right now I'm gonna making a video for practicing a real life. Actually, real life English is very important for your growing up, for your speaking up, right? How is
Hello.
you going today?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. And what are you do right now?
Now I'm go back my own home. I came to a market for buying some elements, and after buying my elements, I now I'm going back my home.
Oh yeah, actually I'm also buying this some elements for making a soft box. Okay, this is wallpaper, and I'm also buying this steel sticks. Okay,
Steel sticks, brother.
Yeah, steel sticks. This is steel sticks, and this is also needed for making a good video background, right? And you need some blue clothes, okay? It's like window clothes, vital blind. So actually, what do you think right now? Have making this video for practicing English?
Actually, now I'm feeling better, and when I stay with you, I am full of confidence
Oh,
to
okay.
practice English, and I want to show you something.
Sure.
Sometimes later we are across the girls' college, and now
Oh, right.
now we are going
It's
to
amazing.
now we are going to Dolphin Hospital.
Oh, I see. But
It is located Kadirganj, Geta Road to be more exact.
oh, this is Kadirganj.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
Kadirganj.
this is also famous place for these local people. Yeah,
local people,
Yeah, and this is maybe near for Rajshahi College or City College. And
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
actually, I don't know. Please describe this area. Do you know that? And what do you think at this area?
It is not essential, but Rajshahi is famous for, there are a lot of things. There
Oh,
you can
I see.
find of mangoes, and you can find of other essential, that's resham kids.
Oh, resham
It
is a very
Famous
famous
product.
and international product
Yeah,
for selling this and outputting for Bangladesh, right?
Yeah.
So, what's your going there?
Now I am feeling fit and fine, and
Actually-
for your kind information, we are reached nearby in our accommodation.
Oh yeah, actually I know this, and right now I'm seeing this. This area is very pretty, and this is so decorated, right?
This is Dolphin Hospital.
This
It's
is a
famous for-
hospital. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is a dolphin hospital, and this is we are.
Finally, we reached our accommodation.
Oh yeah, I see that. So this is my stoppage point, and okay. Thank you for watching our video, and keep going well, and keep with me, and please follow me and subscribe me for practicing English.